Here's the Sony A6000. Let's try to update the firmware of this camera. So if you Google A6000 firmware update, you can go to that web address of Sony. Okay, and here let's select the operating system. Currently I'm using Windows 10, firmware update 3.21. If we start the camera, press the menu button, go to the last icon and 6th page, and here at version we can see that this one is 3.20 and the new one is 3.21. Okay, so let's go onto that one. It improves stability of the autofocus operation. Okay, so let's download that update. Go to the end of the page and click download. Keep the file. It was downloaded, so is that file 192 megabytes, it says here. So let's start the file. It is automatically extracting itself. Turn on the camera, select USB connection from setup in the camera's menu screen and verify that the connection method is set to mass storage. Connect the camera to the computer with the USB cable, click the next. So here at the last icon on the 4th page we have USB connection. That has to be set to mass storage, and it is already on mass storage. So connect the camera to the computer. So that's the micro USB, plug it in there. So USB mode mass storage. Okay, now click on the next button, verifying. Follow computer instructions. Click next button to verify the version of the update. Next. If there is no problem with the version, click next. Verify that the version of the update information on the bottom left hand corner of the screen, this one. So the current is 320 and the newer one is 21. If there's no problem with the version, click next. Next. Resets device. Reset the camera. Safely remove the hardware, clicking the safe remove hardware icon in the tray and the bottom right of the computer screen. Keep the USB cable connected when doing so. Select OK in the camera's screen. The camera screen will turn off. So let's go here, and I think it's this one. Eject the camera, A6000. Safe to remove. Keep the USB cable connected. Select OK in the camera's screen. The camera screen will turn off. So press the middle button. Yes, it's black. Now click the next button. Reset the camera. This is completely black. Click the run button to start the update. Do not pull the USB cable or turn off the camera during the update. So run. Updating. Nothing is here. The progress is very slow. No LED is flashing or lighting up on this camera while doing this update. No lights at all. So this is a very slow process and it's about to finish. When the update has been completed, the camera will automatically restart. Yes, it just powered on. It may take a few minutes. USB mass storage mode. It may take a few minutes to restart the camera. Make sure the camera is turned on and wait until the LCD screen appears. Press finish button of the software when the LCD screen appears. USB mode mass storage. So let's click on finish. Okay, let's unplug the cable. Now let's check the menu. Go to the last one, last icon and last page and version. Now it says 321. Okay, and it was something related to autofocus. Nothing is visibly different. Photos are working, video recording is working, the camera is functional, the video can be played. Okay, so the firmware was successfully updated.